again, please remember that as you're bidding, we've got the winner will get a bird, and the second place bidder has an option for either the bird we have here, or a full brother, or a Mona Lisa inbred at home. So, strap it out, I'm going to ride this pony, I'll tell you, it's going to be fun. Okay, we got $36,810 currently online. So we're going to take the bird to $37,000. Okay, so we got $37,000 that we're looking for, $36,800 online. I'm looking for $37,000 here in the house. So do I have $37,000? I got 36. I'm looking. This is a direct son of Da Vinci and Mona Lisa, probably the top pair in the world right now. So I'm asking for $37,000. I got 36 and change online. I'm looking for $37,000. I got 36 and change. I'm looking for $37,000. I got 37,000. I'm looking for 37. I got 37,000. I got 36 and change. We're going to lose it online. We're going to lose it online. We're looking here for 37,000. 37,000. 37,000. We're going to let it go. We got it online. Oh, 37. I'm sorry. 37,000. Let's go to 37,250. I got 37 here. 37,250. Brad. I got 37, I'm looking for $37,250. I got 37 here.
I'm just confused. I have two birds and I have two bids. Well, now I have a winner. I have Jim K for 37,000. Like to get Jim and
Well, we haven't done anything yet. I don't think we're going to do anything until we sell this bird. Once we sell that bird, he didn't buy it for 37. Okay, we're going to keep not till somebody buys the bird. I'm sorry if I wasn't clear on that. You know, this is an open auction just like any other auction. The unique value of this is that if you lose, you really don't lose because you have an opportunity to get a Mona Lisa Da Vinci bird. So right now, the bird that you see over here, we're auctioning for $37,000. Okay, so we've got $37,000 in the house, and I'm asking.
$37,000 second bid has been it's at $37,000.
I'm asking for $37,250. Do you have it for the bird online here? The bird that you've got right there. Ring number 23. Okay, that's the bird we're selling here. Don't worry about the second bird yet. The second bird will follow up after. When we sell this bird, okay, when we sell this bird, the person that's second in line has the opportunity. They don't have to take it. Okay, but if they don't, the way I understand it, you don't have to take it. You have an opportunity to buy.
Whoever wins gets to pick which bird they want.
Okay.
Second place gets the other bird.
Okay. Yes. We're bidding on either or. Okay. Sorry about that. So, is anybody unclear in this? I must have fumbled a little bit here. So, you know, you've got a shot at two Da Vinci birds, Da Vinci Mona Lisa birds, your choice. So, right now we're at $37,000. I'm asking $37,250. So we're just going to run this bird as if it's the only bird. Okay? And then from there, if you were to get up to $37,000, you could take a pick of either of those two birds. So we got $37,000. I'm looking for $37,250.
He shouldn't bid anymore.
37 here in the house. I'm looking for $37,250. Anybody here looking for $37,250? What do we got on running? I got 37 right here. Just act like this is the only 3710. Okay. Well, I think really, honest to God, I'm going to go to 37,250. I got 37,250. I got that. Okay. I'm asking for 37,500. Okay. And we're just looking at this bird as it's the only bird. So I got 37,250. I'm looking for 37,500. Okay. I got 3750, I'm looking for 37.5. 3750, looking for 37.5. 37,250 is what we have here. We're looking to see what we got online. I'm asking for 37,500 online. Have you got it?
Go with the line, yes.
You got 37,500. I got it. I got 37,250 here. I need 37,500 from here.
Understand that my back, you know, it goes $10 over there.
Okay. Okay, we're going to shut online down. We're going to keep it here in the house so we don't have to mess.
Just so everybody here knows that I'm not on the scale, my machine will only go $10 over the next bid.
Yeah, if we go $10 over the next bid, we're all going to have a birthday before we get the hell out of here. So I got 37,250. I'm looking for 37,500 here in the house. Online's dead. We're not going to be looking at the computer. We're going to be bidding here in the house. We got people here that are interested in the bird. I got 37,250 here. I'm looking for 37,500. Okay, I got 37,500. I'm looking for 37,750. I got 37,500. I need 30. I got 40 grand. I got 40 grand here. 41 grand to you. I got 40 grand here. I got 41, 42. I got 41. I need 40. I got 50 grand. I got 50 grand. 45. I got 45, 46 to you. I got 45 here. Looking for 46. I got 46, 47, 47. I got need 48. I got 47. I got 48, 49. Second place bidder does not have to buy the bird, do they? Michael? Michael, second place bidder does not have to buy the bird. Is that correct?
Second place bidder gets one of the two birds.
Okay, so either way, the guy that gets the bid gets it. Okay, well, he doesn't have to take, he's going for the first pick. If he doesn't get the first pick, he doesn't want the second. Okay? Hey, where the hell was I?
If he buys the bird, he don't have to buy
The guy that buys the bird
Choice out, man. Choice out.
buys the bird, okay? If the second place bidder doesn't want the bird now, we've got a full brother to this bird, and we've got another inbred back at home, so you can take your choice. You don't have to take anything if you're the second place bidder. So I'm at 40, I'm looking for 41. No. I got 40. 45. You had 45, Jim. I'm looking for 46. I got 45 here, looking for 46.
That wasn't like a.
I got 45 here, I'm looking for 46. I got 46, 47 to you. I got 46, looking for 47. I got 46 here. Jim, are you straight on what we're doing here? Okay, 46, I got 46. I'm looking for 47. Looking for 47. Anybody in at 47? I got 46. I'm looking for 47. I got 46, you got it at 46. I'm looking for 47. Anybody in at 47? I'm looking for 46. I got 46, looking for 47. You got 46, looking for 47. Anybody else in? 46. We're gonna let it go at 46. Let him go at 46. We've got 46 over here, and Gabe was out. So I got 46, Gabe was out. I'm looking for 47. Well, he's not, he dropped. He's not in. I got 46 over here. Okay, I got 46, I'm looking for 47. You're out for good, Jim. I got 46. We're gonna let it go for 46. Anybody else? For 47. 46. 46 is going once. 46 is going twice. Gonna sell it for 46,000 to buyer number 41. Thank you, sir.